And so during the 4 years of the Biden administration, you saw, when we talk about children, you saw over 500,000 children, probably closer to 600,000 children come across that border unaccompanied, not with their mother, not with their father, and not with a relative of any kind. I mean, that's crazy. You're going to fill up the Rose Bowl almost 6 times with just children that were released into the country to go any number of ways. And what we found out, to your point, Scott, is that the Biden administration lost track of about 300,000 of them, right? So you have to assume that those children are being trafficked. And so whether that is they're endangered, they are put into terrible work conditions and having to work off the fee that the cartels charge them to come across the border, or it's unfortunately sex trafficking as well, or any number of things. I think the last number I saw was, I think 40,000 have been, quote, rescued from sponsors. Because what happens when an unaccompanied child comes over is they go into a facility that HHS, Health and Human Services, runs, and then they get released to a sponsor. Well, guess what? That sponsor is also an illegal alien. And so this is what the law allows. And that's why I say it's completely broken. It's here in the country illegally, takes the child and goes wherever. And it's very difficult to keep track of them. And unfortunately, bad things happen. And that's what
Especially when they're lying about who's a family member.